Okay, how's everybody doing this evening? First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Kent. The channel is EOS San Diego, and I make a video about the EOS blockchain every single night. First thing I'd like to do tonight is I'd like to wish you a very happy day, happy evening. I hope everything's going really well for you wherever you're at in the world. I appreciate you watching this video, and I appreciate you being interested in the EOS blockchain. The most exciting blockchain, the most scalable blockchain, the most usable blockchain in the world right now. And Blocktivity will tell you that if you go check it out. Number one in the world as far as transactional speed. I want to first make mention to the worldwide conference taking place tomorrow, actually starts tomorrow. I think I'll be speaking tomorrow evening. It's EOS Ignite, and it's run by my good friend June. And it's going to be, I think, close to 60 speakers, which I'm one of them. And we're going to talk about EOS for an entire 24-hour period on this worldwide conference, the first of its kind. And if you have any questions about EOS, this will be a nice place for you to get the answers. I think it's interactive. You'll be able to speak with people, ask questions. So there's going to be a really good time tomorrow for everybody that wants to be involved. EOS Ignite. And I'll put the link below to the EOS Ignite website, and you'll be able to follow the schedule and see what's going on. What I want to talk about tonight is I want to talk about the price. Obviously, the price is a big deal right now. Prices hovering slightly above $4 a token. And I want to talk about that for just a second. $4 a token is unheard of, and it's insane for something like EOS because we're getting close to cash prices. What I mean by cash is over a year-long ICO, they raised $4 billion. It's a billion tokens. So that's a $4 billion valuation, and that's where we're at right now. We're close to about what the cash that they raised is. So the amount of cash that they raised, that's about where we're at right now in trading. So that's completely discounting everything that's happened. That's giving zero for the technology. That's just the money they raised, the $4 billion that they raised. That's where we're trading as far as a token price is concerned. So that means the year-long ICO, everything that's happened, launching the blockchain, you know, the decentralized exchanges that are running on it, everything's being built on that, including the challenged app, is all zero. It's worthless right now according to the market because we're just at cash prices. We're just at the money they raised at the ICO. So they're completely devaluing, giving the value of the technology zero, which is insanity. It's total insanity. Everything is working perfectly. This is technology that's changing the world, and right now it has zero value in the marketplace because we're back to just what they raised for the ICOs, the $4 billion. So if you're not buying now, you're missing a huge opportunity, an incredible opportunity to own this technology at a very, very steep discount. Actually, cash price is what they raised in the ICO. So this is an opportunity. I know it doesn't feel good for a lot of people, including us. I mean, we own the value. We own the token at a lot more than this. I mean, I made a video one night about buying a bunch of EOS at I think $7.57, if I remember right. So yeah, we purchased it for more than this, and I don't like the price at these levels. I didn't think it'd ever go back to this level. But markets are not rational. Markets are irrational. And just as irrational as they are today at $4, which is not rational, just like I just explained, that's what they raised in money over a year-long period. $4 billion, which is what it's valued right now. Just as they're irrational at this level, it'll go the other way when it goes to $250, $300 a token. And it will go to those kind of values because it'll swing that direction just as easy as it swung this direction. But these are the times where you have to squat on the technology and wait for people to catch up. The technology's there. We know it's there. We're using it. We see it. We're seeing it with these worldwide exchanges taking place right now. So you just set on the technology and wait for people to catch up. It's not a deal that hasn't yet materialized. This is materialized in all its performance, and everything has happened just exactly the way they said it was going to happen. The technology is amazing. The blockchain is working perfectly. The transactional speeds are incredible, and they're going up. And institutional investors are going to be buying into this. People are staking positions. I believe there's a lot of big money buying in at these prices, and it'll go up. It'll go up. It's not going to sit at $4 very long, because it just can't. Like I say, this is cash value. This is where things are liquidated at. This is like the bare minimum that EOS can trade at is $4 because of the fact they raised $4 billion. So, and that, that would mean that everybody that invested for that year-long ICO didn't think anything was going to happen because they just raised the money and nothing happened. That's almost like where we're at right now. We're still waiting for something to happen. But everything's happened, just exactly the way it's supposed to happen. Everything's happened. And we're still setting at $4 as if it just completed the ICO. Bear with us, bear with me. I know I make videos every night about how great this project is. People probably say at $4, it doesn't look very great to me, but it is. And just as easily as it goes to triple digits, it's just as easy to goes back to $4 and these lower digits. So I don't believe it's going to stay here very long. I didn't believe it would break down below $5 personally. So, I was wrong about that. You're not wrong. You're not right 100% of the time. But I know one thing, that there's incredible technology here and it has incredible value to the world. And I'm seeing it and we're using it. So I know it's there. We just have to wait for everybody to realize that. Everybody to catch up, and they will. I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.